Hello, I'm Dr. Robert Cialdini, author of the book Influence, and I want to talk with you today about a potent yet often under-recognized dimension within the practice of successful influence. It's the process of gaining agreement with your message in the moment before it has even been presented. Now, that might sound like some form of magic. After all, how can you get people to agree with your message if they don't know what's in it? But it's not magic. It's established science that you can apply effectively and ethically. We call it persuasion. Understanding how persuasion works and applying it ethically and effectively means that you can become a moment maker. This moment maker program that we've developed is based on my book Persuasion and was developed in collaboration with Steve J. Martin, Managing Director of Influence at Work UK. Steve is a genius at combining the science of influence with its ethical applications for business and personal life as well. The Moment Maker program is not limited to, but includes a strong focus on digital applications. In this program, we explore the time persuasion system, in which you will learn how to target the mindset you want people to be in before receiving your message, how to identify the triggers to activate that mindset, how to move the trigger to the moment before delivering your message, and finally, how to extend the impact beyond that moment and well into the future. Through this program, I'm convinced your effectiveness as an agent of influence will jump significantly. Now, I've heard persuasion described as the first genuinely new approach to influence and persuasion in decades. Now, I don't know if that's true, but I know I want it to be true. But I expect that after this program, you'll believe that it's true as well. Thank you.